Misspelled white. So it's Blackbirds and Sofa White.
No, I was talking.
Not white. Like I put. This is round 3. So Sofa White took the first round. We took the second round. So here's the tiebreaker. So here we go. All right, they got one down. Fuck. Where the hell did you get hit, man?
In the hand.
So Jake moved.
I don't know where that shot came from.
You got the guy out here from Doritos.
Yeah.
And you got the guy at home.
Shoot, man. I don't know where that one shot came from. It didn't even hit me in the hands.
I let my leg out there too long again.
Some long legs, man.
Man, it's all well. I come out. My gun's fucking right off the rip. It'll shoot a couple, and it just happens to die. So I was like, let me get in there. See. I don't know what the fuck's up with.
My hopper died on the last cycle, and I was just standing there spinning it while I was shooting.
All right, Justin went over by the snake. Oh, Jake. I don't know how Jake survived that, but he did. The boy's got moves. There he goes.
Good move.
There he goes.
Justin's on the corner.
Yeah. Keep your gun up.
Tuesday!
No, you got him. Nope, still alive. Nope. Here he goes. Eyes, dude.
Oh.
That was that. So Sofa White took that one. Well, not yet. They didn't. Yeah, there he is. All right, so they took that one. Good game.